Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your phone yourself, like checking through the process, how you're going to be fixing your phone yourself. Maybe your phone is having any issue, or before you actually take it to an engineer or so. You can actually use this method to check how to fix your phone so that someone will not be lying or telling you lies about how to fix your phone. Just go to this website up here, go to ifixit.com. Once you get there, just go to the fix your stuff community, uh, go to repair guard. So it is going to take you to another page. You can actually see the type of phones, maybe Mac or stuff like that. Now, me, I want to fix a phone. Let me click on the phone. So it's telling me I want to fix an Android phone. I click on the Android phone. So I'm using a Samsung phone. Let me check for my phone. Clicking on Samsung phone, A series. I click on it and I go to where my phone is exactly, the exact model of my phone. So once I see the exact model of my phone, I click on it, Samsung Galaxy. I click on it, and now replacement guard. How to do stuff like that, like the screen with frame, battery, the screen, and other techniques like that. This will actually teach you many things about your phone, and you can actually ask questions too, the circuit diagram and stuff like that down it the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thank you so much.